How to fix echo sound problem on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix echo sound problem on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up settings in your device. After that, in the search bar, type in mono and then search for it. Wait for a while, then you'll have this option on your interface that says mono audio. Tap on it. Now once you get into audio adjustment page, there is an option for mono audio. So in order to fix your echo sound problem on your mobile device, you have to turn on this toggle for mono audio that says combine channels when playing audio. So once you turn on this toggle, your problem will be solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.